Rabbi Weinberger on WhatsApp.
Are you still doing that?
I'm doing a live stream now on YouTube. So Herzi.
Yeah.
So I left for him a message for Rebbe, who's my Magashir.
Come here.
Everybody knows Rabbi Weinberger. He's very famous. So Herzi. So I left him a parody of because Rabbi Weinberger is a big Simon and Garfunkel fan. Every year by Slichus, he quotes Simon and Garfunkel. He said, "Mwah." He said one time in Yerushalayim he heard Paul Simon give a concert. But also, I'll tell you, one of our neighbors here, she's a psychologist. She also...
Kathy, you can't say that.
It was a secret.
You can't say that.
I had to tell Rabbi Weinberger. Yeah, I can because it's not me. Not my patient. I'm not going to say who it is. But one of the people here in White Lake, a Jewish lady who grew up going to Beis Yaakov, she said she's a psychiatrist. She's a Jungian psychologist. Jungian psychologist. That means Jung. You know Jung. Carl Jung, the Hasidic Galeno, he said his whole psychology he was mechaven to the Mizritcher Maggid's Hasidic Galeno. So this lady here, she said. One of our friends who was Nifter, Andy, I was zeicha to make his levaya, and also he was buried right next to a tzaddik who had the Rebbe Bzish's tefillin. I have to make a bezunder zach schicken some Rebbe wegen days. But he picked up the phone. Who was it? It was Art Garfunkel, because it was one of this lady's patients. All right, so anyway. I made with AI a parody of the Sound of Silence. This year, the Rabbi made over Bridge Over Troubled Water. I don't know the nigun to Bridge Over Troubled Water. I only know the chorus nigun. So I left a message for Rabbi Weinberger and I messed it up and I made like Sound of Silence. I made a mish because I'm shikr. It's Yom Kippur. It's Yom Kippurim. Yom Kippurim. It's a day like Purim. So Herzi, when you're weary, feeling small, when Amalek whispers in your ear, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. When times get rough and the Yetzer, I think it means here the Yetzer Tov, just can't be found. Like a Rebbe over troubled Haman, I will lay me down like a Rebbe over troubled Haman. I will comfort you when you're down and out, when you're on the street, when the evening falls so hard. I'll bring the licht, I'll take your part. Oh, when the darkness comes and you don't know where to turn, like a bridge over troubled Haman, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled Haman. I will comfort you, sail on silver neshama. Sail on by, your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, if you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind. Like a Rebbe over troubled Haman, I will ease your mind. When the Megillah's read and the groggers drown the name, when you drink until you can't tell, cursed is Haman, blessed is Mordechai the same. Adelo Yadai, that's the game. Get high on Simcha, let the Kedusha flame. Like a Rebbe over troubled Haman, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled Haman. I will comfort you. I will comfort you when the Suda's over and the masks come off. May our Rav Weinberger's flame of Eish Kodesh keep burning in our hearts through every troubled water until the Gula, like a bridge under troubled water, like a tunnel under peaceful fire. I will lay me up like a tunnel. That's Nahapachu, right? Remember on Saturday Night Live? They had John Bovey. they made opposite songs. And they sang like a tunnel under peaceful fire. I will lay me up like a tunnel under peaceful fire. I will lay me up. How do I turn this thing off? Oh, there's people here. 7 people watching this in Michigas. I thought people listen for Rebbe. I don't know. It's on YouTube. Wieso weiß ich, wer sendet auf YouTube? I was Meshiknis da. Azach. Yes, nor dry. All right, we love you. God bless. Please like, share, subscribe. Ich weiß nicht, wie man Strammel ist entlaufen.